Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Miss Faiza. Today we're gonna learn about comparing and ordering numbers. So first we will start with comparing numbers. So in comparing numbers, meaning that you have to compare numbers, which number is bigger, which number is smaller. So how are we gonna find this? How are we gonna determine is it bigger, which is smaller? So if a question asks you which is bigger, let's say for instance this one here, we have a number of 60,589 and a number 79,800. Okay, first thing you have to do is you check the first number here. The number in the 10,000s place value here, you check which one is bigger. Is 6 or 7 bigger? So if 7 bigger, then this is your answer. So this will be the answer. This is bigger. Okay, then you check. Let's see for another question for B. We have a number of 40,668 and also another number 40,678. Okay, for you to check which is bigger, just like I mentioned, first thing you have to check the first number. First number in the place value. See this one, you have 4 here and then you also have 4 here. So that means this value is the same. So we check for another number. In the thousands place value, we have 0. This one also has 0. So it's still the same. Then we check another number. In the hundreds place value, we have 6 here. This one will also have 6. So it's still the same. So then we check another number which is in the tens place value. We have here 6. We have here 7. Okay, so now we see that the difference here is only this in the tens place value, which is the 7 and the 6. So between 6 and 7, which one is bigger? 7 is bigger, right? So since this is bigger, this is your answer. This will be your answer. Alright. Then if the question asking for smaller, same thing you do. Yeah, same thing you do. You just have to find out the number, which number is bigger in its place value. If for A, right, we have same number in the 10,000 place value, but different number in the thousands place value. And between 5 and 6, which one is smaller? So 5 is smaller, so this will be your answer. For B, also the same thing. You check for the number, the first 10,000s place value, which is smaller. If it's the same, then we check to the thousands place value. Thousands place value, we have 3 and 0. So between 0 and 3, 0 is smaller. So this will be your answer. Okay, so now let's move on to ordering numbers. Ordering numbers meaning that we have to arrange the numbers. We will be given with some numbers, a few numbers, where we have to arrange either in increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing meaning we arrange it from smaller to bigger. Decreasing meaning we arrange it from bigger to smaller number. So now, let's say we have this question. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. So it means that we have defined from smaller to bigger. So we check the smallest number first. Smallest number we have from all these 5 numbers. We have this number, which is only thousands. It's 4,302. It's 4 digits, so it's in thousands. So this is the smallest. So we put this first in the first place, and then this one is done. Then from among all these numbers left, we check which one is smaller. So from here we can see this is the smallest from all the numbers left, right? So we put this one in the second place, and then this one we discard it, and then we're left with 3 numbers. So from these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? Smallest is here, so we put this number. So this one also done. And then between these two numbers, which one is smaller? We're left with these two numbers, so which one is smaller? So we would be, this one is smaller, because you see the numbers in front are all the same, but then the numbers at the back, the last number here is different. We have here 0, we have here 3, so 0 is smaller, so we put this one first, and then this will be the last number. So this is how we arrange the numbers, how we arrange the numbers in the order. We need to have the comma. Never forget the comma. Comma is the important thing. Okay, now arrange the numbers in decreasing order. So for this one, same thing. It's just that we just need to find bigger number, the biggest number first. Among all these 5 numbers, we'll find the biggest number. So from this, we can see that the biggest number here we have is 8. Right, is 8, but then between these two numbers, in the thousands place, we have 0 and 9. Right, so 9 is bigger, so this one will be the first one. Next, this one we discard, then we find among all these 4 numbers that are left, which one is the biggest. So this will be the biggest. 80,000 is the biggest among the 4 numbers. Okay, so now we're done with this. We discard that. We are only left with 3 numbers here. Among these 3 numbers, which are the biggest? So this is the biggest, so we put the biggest one. Then we're done with this. Between these two numbers, which one is bigger? 69,000 is bigger. So we put 69,000. And then we're left with this one. This is the last one. So this is it. This is your answer. Alright, thank you.